Welcome to the instructions video for the RC Filter Interactive Calculator. This powerful tool helps you analyze resistor-capacitor filter circuits by calculating cutoff frequencies and frequency response characteristics. Whether you're designing audio filters or signal conditioning circuits, this calculator simplifies the process. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter your component values. Start by inputting your resistance value in the resistance field. For this example, we'll enter 10,000 ohms. Next, enter your capacitance value. We'll use 100 nanofarads for our demonstration. Select whether you're analyzing a low-pass or high-pass filter configuration. The calculator will then determine your cutoff frequency, which is the point where the signal is attenuated by 3 decibels. You'll also see phase shift information, and can explore how the filter responds at different frequencies across the spectrum. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.